Hey guys, today's video is an update on my pine trees. These are my pine trees. These are now 4 months and 3 weeks old. As you can see, they grow very well. If you guys remember, this is insect damaged pine seedling. This is the smallest pine plant. Today I am going to fertilize these plants. I use blue pellet fertilizer for that. I cover the fertilizer using a chopstick. I grow this pine plants in 100% sunlight, because pine plants love direct sunlight. Now I water the plants. This is the tallest guy. I really like it. This is the other one. I will give you guys update of these plants probably just about every 2 to 3 weeks I guess. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.